Hi, Broby.
Hi.
Well, don't take it off. Put it back on. Where's Broby? That's the TV. It's okay.
Broby eyes. Oh yeah.
Broby!
Hold on, I'm jumping. Wait till it stop. Jumping jack. Heavy drop.
Hey, Broby.
What?
What are you doing today?
Ah!
Broby's not scary. He's nice.
Angry.
You're angry?
That was mean.
Well, hey, Nick.
What?
We have to go night-night and read book. Gotta read a book. Go night-night.
No, I'm gonna be the. Can I have that crown? I'm gonna be the.
Well, how do you ask?
Steve, I'm gonna be the king. I'm gonna be the king in there. Hello, everyone. I'm king. I'm the king.
King of who?
Kingy. I'm gonna put this on, and I will be Broby. Hello, everyone. I'm Broby King. I'm gonna get off my bed.
Can you see through there?
Nope. How I can. Let's go dump this crown. Watch.
Okay, guess what?
Hmm.
It's time to go to bed. We have to finish playing now. Broby's gonna go to bed too.
Who?
Broby.
Him?
Yep. Broby needs to go night-night too. Okay?
So, good night. He's going like this.
Okay. Alright, come on. Let's get in bed.
When you put this in way.
Are you cleaning up your toys?
Nah.
No?
See how? Watch.
No.
It's going
Put it back.
back.
Okay. Hey, Nick. Say goodnight.
Good night.